Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic how to find the equivalent fraction for the given fraction. So first fraction I will take over here is 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is the fraction given to us and we have to find the equivalent fraction. So what are we supposed to do? Here you have to remember that whenever we have to find the equivalent fraction, what you have to simply do is you have to simply multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. Now here you can take any number, any whole number. You can take 2, 3, 4, 100 or anything. Always I suggest is to go with the smaller number, that is like 2 or 3 and so on. Okay. But the rule is you have to multiply both numerator and the denominator with the same number. Then only you will get the equivalent fraction. So here the equivalent fraction that you will get for 2 upon 3 will be 2 times 2 will give you 4 upon 3 times 2 gives you 6. So the equivalent fraction will be 4 upon 6. Only this much you have to do. Okay. I'll take one more example for the proper understanding. 1 upon 7. Now here I have to find the equivalent fraction for 1 upon 7. What am I supposed to do? Multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. So I'll randomly take number 4. You can take 2 also, anything. Okay. Now multiply. 1 times 4 is 4 and 7 times 4 is 28. So here you get the answer as 4 upon 28. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to find the equivalent fraction for a given fraction. If you have understood the video, then please do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Tada, bye-bye.